how to change Google password on your mobile phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Google's password from your mobile phone. Now you can do this from your Android or from your iPhone, it does not matter. So let's just get started. First things first, you will need to open up a web browser where you are logged in into your Google account. After you've done that, tap on the top right corner on your profile icon. After you do that, you'll see your account right here. Tap on that. And from up here, you can scroll down till you find an option that says Manage Google Account. Tap on that. After you've done that, you will see your Google account's information. You'll need to head over to Personal Info. After you're there, you can scroll down. And after you scroll down, you'll find the password option right here. Tap on the password option. After you tap on it, you might have to type in your current password. It can sometimes ask for that, like this. So type in the password for your Google account. So let's do that here. And after doing that, tap on next. Now what you'll need to do is you'll get the option to actually change your password. So there you can see the new password option. So simply type in the new password that you want to simply keep on your Google account, then simply type that in again and then tap on done. Doing that, tap on change password and you'll have changed your Google password. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.